Friends, hello everyone! The workshop Strugi-Belaya is with you. They brought an unnecessary tool to our smithy, a mason's hammer, and asked us to make something useful out of it for going to the forest. Now let's quickly reforge the hammer into an axe with a beak and go check it out. We forge the head of the hammer into an axe. And we will cut off excess metal from the pickaxe and forge it into a beak. We grind, carry out heat treatment and go to check the product in action. Friends, we have many more interesting publications on our channel on Yandex.Zen. Come to our workshop Strugi-Belaya. Subscribe. See you!